Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking research paper titled A Deep Convolutional Neural Network Approach for Static Hand Gesture Recognition, authored by Aditya V. and Rajesh R. from the Central University of Kerala. This paper tackles the critical issue of sign language recognition, a field that directly impacts the deaf-dumb community, breaking down communication barriers and fostering inclusivity. Communication barriers often hinder access to essential services for the deaf-dumb community. While various innovations have significantly advanced automatic sign language recognition, significant challenges persist. The authors highlight that many existing methods rely on classical pattern analysis, using handcrafted feature descriptors derived from images of gestures. Unfortunately, these methods struggle to perform effectively with extensive sign vocabularies, especially in complex and uncontrolled environments. Sounds complicated, right? So, what do Aditya and Rajesh propose in their research? They introduce an innovative methodology that focuses on recognizing hand gestures, an essential component of sign language, utilizing an efficient deep convolutional neural network, or CNN, architecture. Their work explores how CNNs can automate the traditionally labor-intensive feature extraction process, making hand gesture recognition far more effective. To showcase the efficacy of their CNN architecture, the authors conducted tests using two publicly available datasets, the NUS hand posture dataset and the American fingerspelling dataset. The results? Remarkable. Achieving higher recognition accuracies than many traditional methods. Why is this so important? Sign language allows for seamless communication among those with hearing impairments, but there is a persistent challenge: not everyone knows it. Current systems often depend on interpreters, which can be costly and inaccessible in many situations. The advancements in automatic recognition could provide a powerful alternative, facilitating direct communication between deaf and hearing individuals. Interestingly, hand gestures can be classified into static and dynamic types. Static gestures, or hand postures, represent shapes and orientations without motion, while dynamic gestures involve sequences of postures with motion. This paper focuses on static gestures, including fingerspelling in various sign languages. Now, let's delve into the proposed method. The CNN model presented in this research comprises three convolutional layers equipped with ReLU activation functions and max pooling layers. These components work in tandem to extract vital features from the input images, such as hand postures captured in diverse backgrounds, alleviating many challenges traditional methods face. In their experiments, utilizing five-fold cross-validation, the CNN demonstrated astounding performance metrics. On the NUS hand posture dataset, it achieved an accuracy of approximately 94.7% and even better, a staggering 99.96% accuracy on the American fingerspelling dataset. In conclusion, the research by Aditya V. and Rajesh R. represents a significant leap forward in hand gesture recognition technology, offering a promising solution to enhance communication for the deaf-dumb community. By leveraging deep learning techniques, they avoid the pitfalls of earlier approaches and provide a more robust, effective system. This video was created by Collegites, AI text-to-video software that makes it easy to produce engaging content. Check the link in the description to learn more about creating videos effortlessly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content.